What is up, guys? Today we're building the Rubik's Cube tutorial. My foot is sticking. Okay, so you got your Rubik's Cube. So find, you see this, for example, this yellow-orange edge piece, no corner. You just slip it onto that. And then, for instance, for the screen, make sure that doesn't flop down and that sticks. And then we gotta do it like repeat. So I'll give you a couple of time to do that, then let's move on to the next step. So guys, I'm currently looking for a yellow red. Okay. Once you've got the yellow cross, once you have the yellow cross, just pause this video if you haven't have the yellow cross. Flip it over so the white side with your logo or something this is not. Dude, the scratches on my cube. Well, that's what we have to worry about, I guess. Wait, I don't know how to take scratches on my cube. I'll figure out that after. But first, you see this corner piece? If a corner piece has white, do not use it. Do not use it. So here is a corner piece. So you slide it in, and if you turn it upside down, it will fall out, and we don't want that. So keep it, that's why I kept it upside down. And get all of the corners slid down. Oh shoot, that has white. So that's not the case. This is a good one. That was a second one. So now that we've got that, Now you have to slide in your next one. Yes. You could do that. And then you got to slide in your last little good old piece. Now that you have all corners in, pause the video if you don't. You should have this cool looking L shape. Okay, now that you have that, you see this? This will work. There's no white. I just push it with my force and let it slide in. This also is a good piece. You guys finished first layer, so now we're moving on to sixth layer that we're doing right now. See, this is also white. So white are meanies. So kick them out. Okay, this is not. So to put them here, and then you slide this to have second layer, and you got your logo piece. So now you would want to make your white cross. So to do that, or you can do this at any order, any cross, I recommend you do this so you don't forget the steps. Okay, if you can't do it, if you can't get a piece on, take a piece out and store that on, and then put that way. You guys can see it. And then that's your perfect inserted piece. And now you just gotta keep making white cross. So, for example, you take this piece out. Whites are meanies, just saying. You slip this piece in. Turn this. Slap that bad boy on. And then you have a completed, non-completed that. And then you add the last piece. Use forced to do this step. Use any strategy you have. It kind of takes me a long time, so you guys do it with me. Okay, if you want to do it quicker, do that, and then that, and then we got white cross. Now your last step, which is the easiest step by far. Just pushing the corners, or just push them all in. Oh, this is dirt. Tell me in the comments below how to take dirt out of a cube. My corner. Okay, this is the last corner till you got a cube. So this corner is the last thing I need. Okay, corners are officially the hardest part. I'm just kidding. Put it any way you want, any way. It doesn't matter. Okay. Now that you got your corner in, which I do not have, you've completed your Rubik's Cube. And you can end this video right now. Or if it's taking time, just keep watching this video and watch me struggle. I'm doing this off camera because it's way easier. Okay, finally, the last piece is inserted. So now, see you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.